Written curriculum. This includes documents based on the recommended curriculum. They come in the form of course of study, syllabi, modules, books, or instructional guides, among others. There are three subtypes of written curriculum: lesson plan, syllabi, and books. Lesson plan is a teacher's daily guide for what students need to learn, how it will be taught, and how learning will be measured. It says, help teachers be more effective in the classrooms by providing a detailed outline to follow each class period. Syllabi is a document that communicates information about a specific course and defines expectations and responsibilities. Uses. Students know what the course is about, why the course is taught, where it is going, and what will be required for them to successful in the course. Books are written or printed work consisting of pages glued or sewn together along aside and bound in covers. Many benefits of reading books: students will gain more knowledge, improve memory, and build more vocabulary. Learn curriculum. This refers to the learning outcomes achieved by the students. Quizzes is a form of game or mind sport in which players attempt to answer questions correctly. Uses. Help students practice existing knowledge while stimulating interest in learning about new subject matter. Examination. It measures a test taker's knowledge, skills, aptitude, physical fitness, or ability or standing in some other topic. It is uses to assess what the students have learned with regards to particular subject. Oral recitation is the practice of having the entire class recite important facts, identifications, definitions, theorems, and procedures within the instruction and later when they need to be revisited. Uses provides better chance to the audience for understanding speaker's context. Supported curriculum. In order to have successful teaching other than the teacher, there must be materials which should supported curriculum. Three subtypes of supported curriculum: audiovisual materials, computers, and laboratory equipment. Audiovisual materials such as videotapes, DVDs, audio tapes, audio CDs, and microfilms can be difficult to identify and access. Uses. It helps the teacher to present the lesson effectively and students learn and retain the concepts better and longer duration. Computers is a general-purpose machine that processes data according to a set of instructions temporarily stored internally. Uses are used at homes for several purposes like online bill payment, watching movies or shows at home tutoring, social media access, playing games, internet access, and etc. Laboratory equipment refers to the various tools and equipment used by scientists working in a laboratory. Uses. It is extremely important for schools to have the latest and great quality science lab supplies these days. Assess curriculum. This refers to a tested or evaluated curriculum. At the duration and end of the teaching episodes, series of evaluation are being done by the teachers to determine the extent of teaching or total the students are progressing. There are three subtypes of assess curriculum: formative assessment, summative assessment, and diagnostic assessment. Formative assessment is an assessment done during the instructional process for the purpose of improving teaching and learning. Uses is to monitor student learning to provide ongoing feedback that can be used by instructors to improve their learning. Summative assessment is to evaluate student learning at the end of an instructional unit by comparing it against some standard. Uses to evaluate student learning, skill acquisition, and academic achievement at the conclusion of a defined instructional period, typically at the end of a project, unit, course, semester, program, or school year. Diagnostic assessment is a form of pre-assessment where teachers can evaluate students' strengths, weaknesses, knowledge, and skills before their instruction. It is a form of assessment that allows a teacher to determine students' individual strengths,